on this 88 box Chevy still. Doing a little wiring, putting the radio in, and installed steering wheel. Next, I have the rest of the pieces from where I took the dash apart to paint the lower half and clean all these with the crud cutter. Spray them off with a hose and dry them. And this piece will need to be color matched to paint. Paint it to color match backwards. I'm gonna grind the rust off of these with a wire wheel. Paint them black. Mount the new 4x6s. Hopefully the magnet lets them sit in there. They look pretty close. It's going to run the power wire. We're going to make sure we're mounting the battery under the hood or in the trunk. So we'll see. Our steering wheel installed. Cleaned all these blinker lever. Got the radio installed, mounting kit. Started to run the RCAs, got them labeled, and speaker wire and remote. But again, I gotta make sure which side we're putting the battery on, because power wire and RCAs always need to be on opposite sides of the car from each other so you don't get engine noise through them. So if the power wire goes over there, those will need to be ran over here. Alright. So yeah, I'll clean up here and wipe all this down before I put those 4x6s back. And I actually remembered the microphone to mount up here later. Every time I mount install a radio, I slick forget those and have to go back and add them. Oh yeah. Steering wheel looks a lot better. It is centered up. There's a center mark. It will only go on one way. Just needs to be turned to the left. I'm waiting on some window clips for these. You know what? These windows don't even have those clips. Just noticed that. Rear windows have them. I'll show you what clips I'm talking about. Oh well. I gotta replace one on the back anyway, so it's good I ordered them. With these window guide retainers. That was the original one on the back window. It keeps it locked into the rear channel so the window don't shark fin. And this one was broke. Disintegrated, just old. I had some that were waiting to go on my S10 windows when I get it back together. But they're wrong. It's not supposed to have this little clip. It worked, it just made the window a lot tighter on rolling up and down. So I'll back those out when the new ones get here. Yeah, once the rain clears this week, I'll do the front ones. Get all this stuff off my table. It's all love still. I'm doing my best. I'm doing the best to still help everybody out. I gotta get to myself though. Peace.